What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you guys this incredible powerful strategy, and the best of all, this strategy does not contain any indicators or stuff like that, and that's what makes this strategy very easy, and even beginners can use this. So let's not waste any more time and start at the beginning. So we will not use MT5 or NT4. We will only use it to execute the trades. The site/app that you will use is called TradingView. That's for free on Android and iOS. So if you open the app, you will need to fill in some information you want to sign up. After that, you want to select charts. As you can see, I'm here at the moment on a 1 minute time frame. Then, okay, but before I show you, this strategy can be used for a long-term trade, also a short-term, a scalping trade. So first of all, you want to go the right corner, the three dots. Okay, you will swipe down, you will see this option, chart type. But before we continue, please hit that subscriber button and remember to put on post notifications so that you will be notified when I post a new video. Select it. Then you will go here, Heineken Ashy. You will tap it. Okay guys, so this is a very simple strategy. Let me just zoom in. Okay, as you can see, I'm on USD CAD at the moment, one minute time frame. So how does work? You want to wait. Obviously, if it's red, the candle is red, it shows it will be there's a possibility for a downtrend, guys. Okay, so you want to wait till you see a red candle. Okay, if you want to sell, till you see a red candle like this one, but it can't have a wick. So the first candle you see without a wick on top, you will be looking for a sell. So when this candle closes, you will instantly open a sell position. When you want to exit this position, you want to exit when you see a green candle appear, a bullish candle. So it's the same for buys. You would have buy here. You would have closed the buy right here. Let's go to the 1 day time frame. And I want to show you guys something here. As you can see here, here's a nice one. You would have entered a sell there, and you would have closed it right there. Let's measure this fast. The pips. So you would have entered there, right there. You would have exit. So this is 375 pips. This is a very long trade, guys. For this trade to play off, it took a lot of time. So you don't have to be at your chart the whole day. You can watch it. Fast. You make your execute. You can wait. But if you have time every day, a lot of time in the day, you can do this on a 1 minute time frame. A lot of money. You can make a lot of money with this strategy.